Now I move to the next topic, nature-based solutions. The photo shows restored mangrove forests in northern Vietnam. What are nature-based solutions? They are actions to protect, sustainably manage, and restore natural or modified ecosystems that address societal challenges effectively and adaptively, simultaneously providing human well-being and biodiversity benefit. As you see in this figure, nature-based solutions are using ecosystem-based approaches to address societal challenges. The final goal is to secure human well-being and biodiversity benefits together. Nature-based solutions mean people are working with nature using the way of protection, restoration, management, and creation. Why do we need nature-based solutions? It leads to sustainable development or sustainability. There is one thing to remember. Efforts to address climate change through nature-based solutions must support both people and biodiversity. In other words, there should be a balance between socio-economic and environmental influences or benefits when we adopt nature-based solutions. In July 2020, IUCN launched the IUCN Global Standard for Nature-Based Solutions, a tool that helps plan, analyze, and evaluate NBS projects. It includes societal challenges, design of scale, biodiversity net gain, economic feasibility, inclusive governance, balanced trade-offs, adaptive management, and mainstreaming and sustainability. There are four guidelines of nature-based solutions. First, nature-based solutions are not a substitute for the rapid phase-out of fossil fuels and must not delay urgent action to decarbonize our economies. Second, nature-based solutions involve the protection, restoration, and/or management of a wide range of natural and semi-natural ecosystems on land and in the sea. Third, nature-based solutions are designed, implemented, managed, and monitored by or in partnership with indigenous peoples and local communities through processes that fully respect and champions local rights and knowledge and generate local benefits. Fourth, nature-based solutions support or enhance biodiversity, that is, the diversity of life from the level of the gene to the level of the ecosystem. There are some examples of nature-based solutions. Naturally connected floodplains and riparian ecosystems can provide flood protection for millions of people who are likely to experience increased flood risk. Forest protection and reforestation can provide clean water, reduce flood risk, and support carbon sequestration. Deep-rooted nitrogen-fixing plants can naturally replenish soil nutrients in systems, helping to maintain access to flood supplies. Other plants can help filter sediments and nutrients, keeping our waters clean and available for human consumption while enhancing carbon sinks. Mangrove forests provide protection services from coastal erosion and protect human lives in the face of severe storms while providing nurseries for fishes which can feed coastal populations of people. Well-managed and conserved grasslands can provide forage for livestock while storing carbon in above and below ground biomass. In a scientific article, 3 steps to natural cooling were suggested. In other words, protect intact ecosystems, manage working lands, and restore native cover to avoid emissions and enhance carbon sink. Here, we can add one more. Create ecosystems like forest, grassland, and more.